is okay. The first question: how human being evolved? Okay, whether human being is having more knowledge and intellectual, etc. Better than animals, or what is your opinion? Team, please come on the video, Prashant. Whoever possible on the, yeah, please come on the video. Yeah, team, please, anyone just raise your hands and tell. Yeah, Ramachandran. Yeah, Ramachandran. Who is actually animals and human beings? Whether human being is having more, whether human being is more intelligent than animal? Ramachandra, your mic. Ramachandra, mic.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Shiva, sir. How are you, sir? After finishing the counseling session, you have come back for us. I thank you very much for that, sir. I appreciate your spirit.
Yeah. So, what is that answer, Ramesh?
Sir,
human being versus animals. Okay.
Yes, sir. Human beings are more intelligent, sir.
Okay. Human being is more intelligent.
More intelligent. Yeah.
Now, whether a human being is equivalent to a dog as far as sensing is concerned. Sensing.
No. Dog is more. It can sense anything, sir. It is more intelligent in that case.
So, team.
Sir, actually, dog is not intelligent, but the frequency it can catch is much more sensitive to.
Okay, okay. It is not intelligent. I agree. Capability. Shall I use the word capability?
Capability is more, sir, in dog.
Capability. Shall I use, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Word is correct.
Yes, correct, sir.
Okay. So, what about elephants? Elephants are able to do something which human being cannot do.
Yes, sir. Elephants can sense the throne. It will not walk on the throne. It has got very sensible foot than human beings.
So, in some of the aspects,
animals are more intelligent,
more capable than
capable. Yeah, correct, sir. Correct.
Okay. So, as far as running is concerned, cheetah.
ये कौन है? ये बताओ ना, ये कौन है? उसको क्या पता? ये कौन है? वो नहीं, ये बुआ नहीं है, ये रिंकी है। बिगाड़ो बच्चों को।
Now somebody was talking about intelligence. Okay, just for fun. Okay. So, someone told that actually human being is more intelligent. Can I talk with that ma'am? Ma'am, can you come online, ma'am? Ma'am, human being.
There is one more animal which is very sensitive and intelligent.
Ma'am, when I said intelligent, someone said it is not intelligent.
Yeah, sir, it's not intelligent. Nidhi.
Yeah, who said? Nidhi.
Sir, Nidhi.
I will ask a question, Nidhi.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen in the animal kingdom? Lesbian, have you ever seen in the animal kingdom?
Sorry, sir? Sorry?
Lesbian.
No, sir.
Lesbian, homosexual. These are the things. Have you ever seen in animal kingdom?
No, sir.
No idea, sir.
No idea.
No idea.
No idea.
Yes, sir.
One is no idea. But if you analyze, actually animals follow certain animals follow certain aspects better than human beings. Okay. Now, what is intelligence? We have to reconsider. Now, this class. Please mute your call screen. Okay, now it's not possible. Okay. So now, actually, I am not here to tell that animals are much more better than human beings. But the thing is, actually, if you just go back tribals, they had their visions, much more powerful than what we are having today. They were having all the 5 senses. Okay, it was much more powerful for them, the tribals, than for us. One simple aspect is, today we are all not using our peripheral vision. Peripheral vision as something which is diminishing in human beings, because we are not using the peripheral vision. In those days, tribals, they can just see backwards and they can shoot. They can shoot and they can shoot and they can look at this side, this side. The vision was like this, peripheral vision. Now, what has happened when we are looking at the laptop, we are looking at it like this, okay? And the television, we are looking at like this. Everything we are looking at like this. So the peripheral vision has reduced. The peripheral vision has reduced, and the uses of peripheral vision is much more. Peripheral vision has the capability to trigger the parasympathetic nervous system. So today we are going to see some of the exercises which can help us to regain our lost vitality as far as the brain mechanism is concerned. So actually we are, I'm going to touch only the, just 10 or 15% things today, okay? But certainly you people will enjoy. And I want people to come on the video, Srividya, Prashant, Bhushan, Mohammed. If you are not able to come on, at least, see, I want people to come on the video. Mohammed Payal, Kirti Bhubadi, at least on the front screen. Front screen, I think I want to see every one of you. Okay. So the one thing is increasing our PSC, that is VAK, visual auditory kinesthetic. That is what our intention today. And triggering our left side brain and right side brain. These are the things which we are going to try today. So today will be one of the different session for you people. Okay. So are you ready with the 12 matchsticks? Are you ready with team, whether the voice is clear? Arjit, whether the voice is clear? Arjit? Team, whether the voice is clear? Voice clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But someone says voice is not clear. If the voice is not clear, please check your system. Maybe my system I have checked. Okay. Maybe a problem in my side also. We have to expand the map. But I think other people are able to listen. So people who are not able to come on the video, at least let them not in the front screen. Okay, so that I will be able to see everyone. Okay. Okay, so shall we start? Are you ready, people? Ready? Okay. Now I will enable the. Okay. Please don't open the mic. I have opened it, but don't. Praveen, can you just allow everyone? I will be able to concentrate on the class. Praveen, you will be able to accept that.
Okay, sir.
Please accept, okay. And Ashwin also, Ashwin Uzma also. Please see the members also. Okay. Whoever comes, just allow them. Okay. Okay. So today we are going to see how to increase our senses, 5 senses, how to increase the capability, 1, then how to trigger the right side and left side brain move. That is what we are going to see today. First, let us start with one activity, okay? Because people are joining. So in between, if I start something by closing the eyes, etc., the people who are joining, they will lose the things. So, okay, now I will give you 3 words, okay? I'm going to give you 3 words. The time limit is 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay. The time limit is 2 minutes. I want you to create a story. Okay. I want you to create a story in 2 minutes. Okay. The words are, you can write the words: elephant, umbrella, elephant, umbrella, pizza, seashore. All the 4 words should be there. Okay. All the 4 words should be there. And I want you to create a story in 2 minutes. Okay. The time starts now. 9:19, 9:21.
Sir, please repeat.
Okay. See. I am
Sir,
putting
please repeat the words, sir.
I am done with the story.
Umbrella. Okay, the first word is umbrella. Okay. Second word is elephant. Elephant.
Okay.
Okay. Then pizza. Pizza. Then seashore. Seashore. Okay. So
I am
these
ready.
are the 4 words. By using these 4 words, I want you to construct a small story quickly. Okay.
I am ready. I am ready.
Mine is done, sir.
Okay.
Preeti Bajaj.
Preeti
Ah.
Bajaj. Okay.
Already done.
Anjali Mishra, ready, sir. Already done.
Done.
Also ready.
Right. Try to create something more creativity. You have one more time, 1 more minute. You have 1 more minute.
Can I start with my story?
No.
Shall I start?
After writing, let others write. See, when I was attending my 7th standard mathematics exam, the examination is 2.5 hours. I finished in 1 hour 45 minutes. I stood and told Motte German. His name is Motte German. Okay, the teacher name is Motte German. And I went and told, sir, I finished the exam, sir. And he took the stick and gave me such a punishment I will never forget in my life. He told, go and check. After 2 hours 30 minutes only, I will leave you. Go and do it. Okay. 2 minutes time, improve your stories. Improve your stories. Okay, 20. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. Okay. Okay. Now, time is up. Time is up. Okay. Time is up. Time is up. Now, see, I am going to now take a photo and share it in the. I'll be opening the group. Team Vaishali, Gayatri, and Swati, whoever is there, just open the groups. Okay. Please open the group. Even after the training program is over, you can just take a snap and put. Now, I will be asking only from 2 people, okay? One is from men, 1 men and 1 women, okay? And I tell you, men first, not women. Because see, you people wanted 35% reservation. Already, actually, you people have taken 90% reservation. Men is not there anywhere, okay? Now, you have to give us concession. Now, you have to give us reservation. Men need 60% reservation. Like that, now we have to fight. So, first preference to men. Okay. I'm opening the mic. Okay. Can anyone raise their hand? Men. When I'm giving first preference to men, no men is raising their hand.
Men are not good at writing stories, sir.
Yeah, you
I can.
Yeah, Santanam, go ahead. Ma'am, அப்படியெல்லாம் சொல்ல முடியாது. Like this, आप ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते. हमारा पास भी है. Superstar है.
Yes, sir. है, sir.
Santanam, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, yes. Good evening, all. Yeah, the story goes like this. A vendor boy selling a pizza for the shop. One evening he went to the seashore and he was enjoying the breeze, the cool breeze, because he was very tired in the evening. So he went to the seashore and then he was enjoying the cool breeze. By the time he got a little nap, so he went into the nap state, and he was imagining. It is not the full sleep also. It is a simple nap, and he went into a state of imagination that the heavy rain that time came, and he was having an umbrella. An elephant was just walking in that seashore. He was trying to protect the elephant through the umbrella to protect from the rain. Is it possible? He was thinking, is it possible that I can save this elephant from the rain by using this umbrella? By the time his nap came out of his nap, and he was thinking that he cannot. That's it.
Super.
Awesome, sir.
Very good. Yeah, very good.
2 minutes.
My,
Very
now
nice.
my turn,
Very
sir.
nice.
Now my turn.
1 minute. 1 minute. Srividya, please go ahead. Srividya.
Everybody. I'm Srividya and I'm presently in London. I'm attending the sessions from the past 9 days.
Wow.
Okay, so this is my story. I was sitting by the seashore and eating a pizza. Suddenly, I saw an elephant approaching me. I got petrified that I covered my face with an umbrella to probably divert the elephant away from me. In doing so, I realized the waves had washed away my pizza.
Wow.
Awesome.
Very nice.
My
Okay.
story is almost little bit similar, sir. Can I?
1 minute. Say, I want to listen to everybody's story. Okay, I want to listen to everybody's story now. 1 minute, read whatever you have written. Okay, if you feel, sir, this when people listen to this, everybody will laugh, sir. If you have that conviction, please raise your hand. Anyone I will give. People will laugh, sir. People will laugh like anything. See, people should not cry. Say, I'm giving you a chance. Just 239 people. If you feel that, okay, sir, you give me chance, I will tell the story. People will laugh. If you are having some unorthodox,
My story is funny.
yeah, Preeti, go ahead.
Yeah.
Preeti, go ahead.
So I was just sitting at my house and then I thought I will go to a seashore. So my vehicle is my elephant. So I sat on my elephant and me with my elephant and umbrella because it was a sunny day. I was holding umbrella. We three went to seashore and then we were just enjoying and we felt hungry. So me and elephant, we both ate pizza and I came back home.
Preeti,
I have a story for children.
one minute, Balwadi. Which city you are from?
I am from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, and okay. So,
So
Banavadi,
I have a story for children.
I know everybody's
Sir, मेरी story funny है. Especially for children, I have a story.
Yeah, okay. 1
And
minute.
you can continue your feedback, please.
1 minute. 1 minute.
I have
I will listen to everybody's story. Okay, I will listen. Now we will go to the second activity. Second activity. First, Banavadi will tell. Okay, because we are having continuous activity. Now, team, keep the 12 matchstick. Okay, in front of you. Take the matchsticks. 12 matchsticks. Take it and keep it in front of you and come in the video call. If you are not coming in the video call, you will not be considered as attending the class. Because I want to see now. I want to see how you people are doing it. Okay, please come on the line or please come on the video. Yugraj, आ जाओ युगराज, वीडियो में आ जाओ. नीलू, अंकिता रावत, आ जाओ. हाँ, युगराज तो हीरो लग रहा है यार, रजनीकांत जैसे लग रहा है. तो
God bless you. Thank you so much.
अच्छा, नीलू, अंकिता रावत, सागर, पायल, चौरासिया, please come on the line. Please come on the video. Okay, now see.
ready, sir.
Ready? Everyone ready? Okay.
Ready, sir.
Okay, Soumya Chawla says, sir, I'm sorry, I'm short of matchsticks. Oh my God. Okay, no problem. See, if you are not having matchstick, any stick is enough. Any stick of equal size. Any stick which is of equal size, that is enough. Okay.
Hairpins. Take
Or,
out the hairpins.
or hairpins, 12 hairpins, that is an equal size. Even otherwise, creativity. Take a paper, cut it, and press it. And equal,
I'm ready.
making a stick is very easy, na? Okay. Now, Tim, just look at the video. Okay, I want everybody to be on the video. Now I am sharing a picture. Please see the picture. Okay. Please see the picture. Okay. Okay. Whether the picture is visible?
Yes, sir. Not visible, sir.
Visible, sir.
Visible.
Visible, yes.
This is called a polygon. This is called polygon. Just look at it. There are 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides to it? Polygon?
6. Hexagon.
6.
6.
6.
Hexagon.
6 sides. Now, okay, please come on the video. Please come on the video. Close your eyes. Look at the matchstick. Where you have kept the matchstick, please look at it. Keep your mobile phone nearby you. Okay, so that you can take a picture and share it to us. Okay, show it to us. Okay, or otherwise you can put it in the group. Swati, Vaishali, and Gayatri and Priya, please open all the groups. Please open all the groups. Hope Vaishali, Swati, Gayatri, आप लोग not yet slept. Okay. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Okay, team, ready? Now look at the matchstick where you have kept it. Okay, you can look at it once. Okay. I want all of you to close your eyes. Okay, and create a polygon using the matchstick by closing your eyes. Please close your eyes. I want to see that you have closed your eyes. Please close your eyes and see. This is only to check. See, when you close your eyes. Okay, 1 minute, team. 1 minute. Please open your eyes. Let me tell you why this kind of exercise. You may be knowing the visually challenged people. Okay, they are able to just tell the 100 rupees note just by touching. They will be able to tell. They will be able to walk better than us. Because all other senses that become very, very dominant for them. So if it is so, when you are just closing one of your senses and start doing things, your intellect on other aspects starts growing, and your left side brain started triggering. So in those days, our grandma, grandfather and all, what they will tell when we were children? They will close our eyes and we will play a game. What is the name is called? What is the name?
Blindfold.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek game.
Now, the thing
Hide and
is,
seek.
yes.
Kanamati.
Yeah. See, these all are very, very scientific. In Indian culture, we had so many games to develop all our intellect. Today, people are going for brain gym, this and that. If they just use whatever Indian system is teaching, what games we used to play in those days, okay, all those things, if we start playing or if we start teaching the kids, our brain will start functioning to the fullest extent. And this is one aspect. Okay, so shall we start doing it? Please close your eyes. Please close your eyes. I want you to make a polygon using the matchsticks. Okay, the time limit is 2 minutes. Time limit 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, observe silence and make it. Close your eyes and do it. Wow. Okay, just one more minute. Just one more minute.
Done, sir.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, that time is up. Yugraj has completed in just half a minute. Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, please show it. Please take your cam and put it on the thing and show whether it is Tanushree. Okay, very nice. Sagar, बहुत बढ़िया. Sagar, absolutely fine. सागर बहुत बढ़िया बनाया है. और राजेश्वरी इधर उधर थोड़ा हो गया. सरित्रा चिंटला, सुपर्ब. संदीप कुमारी, वाह, बढ़िया 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 किया है. And प्रियंका.
Thank you, sir.
प्रियंका मालगे, बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है.
Thank you, sir.
No, if it is not, the size is not coming now. Rajeshwari, don't bother. See, now.
Sir, look at mine.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Arjit Datta, superb. And Habiba Akhtar, superb.
Thank you, sir.
Superb.
Sir, look at mine.
Thank you, sir.
Habiba Patel. Okay, very nice, very nice, very
Thank you,
nice.
sir. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, team, we will go to the next one. We will go to the next one.
Mine.
Please take a photograph and share it in the group. Okay, we will go to the next one. Okay, now take the paper. Take a paper. Okay, take a paper. Take a paper. See, when we were telling, okay, when we were telling, neuro-linguistic programming means programming the brain, okay, programming the brain. So improving the brain always helps the people. So when people commit any mistake, people used to ask, do you have brain? Is that it? Have you ever seen people asking, do you have any mind? Do you have brain? क्या? वैसे तो पूछते हैं ना? अच्छा, ठीक है. So we are going to do one more aspect. Okay. Please take the pen and pencil. Okay. Be ready with pen and pencil. Okay. Please be ready with pen and pencil. Okay. Are you seeing what is on your screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir. It is
Yes,
visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, team,
Yes, sir.
I will tell you, there are 4 squares. Inside the 4 squares, there are 3 squares. Okay? There are 4 squares. Inside, there are 3 squares. Now, every square is having an unshaded portion, unwritten portion. There is a portion in which something has written, yay, yay, yay. That is, either I will call it as a shaded portion or written portion. Okay, written portion. Something is written. Okay. There is some space with nothing is written. Nothing is written. Okay. So your left side. Okay. Your right side. Your right side top. Your right side top. That is number 1. That is number 1. Okay. Your right side top. That is number 1. Okay. Okay. So, and your left side top, that is 2. Your left side top, that is 2. Your left side down, that is 3. Okay. Now, again, I repeat, your right side top is 1. Your right side, your left side top is 2. Your left side bottom is 3. Okay. Now come to 1. Come to 1. Okay. Your right side top. Your right side top. Okay. I want you to divide this unshaded portion, unwritten portion. There is an unwritten portion here. Okay. I want you to divide the unwritten portion as 2 equal pieces, geometrically equivalent. If I measure the space, that should be equivalent. If I measure the space, that should be equivalent. Okay. Number 1, right side top. Right side top. Okay. Divide the unwritten space. Divide the unwritten space.
Sir, 5A.
Divide the space. Divide the space 2 equal spaces. Just make it in your, just like this, draw in your, just like this, draw in your paper. Okay, and show me the answer on the screen. Show me the answer on the screen. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Okay. This is third. This is shaded portion. This is shaded portion or written portion. Now, the one, please mute your calls. Okay. Now, 1, the unshaded portion 1, I want you to divide it into 2 equal pieces. So, who is ready with the answer? You can show it in the,
Like this, sir.
Please show it in the.
Can you see?
Please show it in the screen. Yeah. Gayatri PG is correct. Gayatri PG is correct.
Is it necessary that the shape should be also square or rectangle, or we can draw any other shape?
Is it correct?
It should be equal. It should be equal. It should be equal. The unshaded portion, I told unshaded. Please mute your call screen. How many times I can tell?
Sir, please look at me.
Please. 1 minute. Okay. See, there is something called unshaded portion. The unshaded portion, I want you to divide it into 2 equal pieces. 2 equal. Gayatri is correct. Gayatri, can you show it again? Gayatri was correct, and whoever has done it, that is correct. Okay. 2 equal pieces. 2 equal pieces. Okay. So hope it is understood. Now we will go to the second one. Okay. We will go to the second one. So whoever has joined, now you can see 1, 2, 3. There is shaded portion, unshaded portion. Shaded portion is, I have written, I have put some lines, yeah. That is shaded portion. Unshaded portion is, outside the portion is unshaded portion. Unshaded portion, I wanted to divide it into 2 equal pieces, geometrically equivalent. If you measure, both the sides should be equivalent. Okay. Now the answer is, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer which I think many people have arrived at. Okay. Now let us go to the second one. Okay. Now go to the second one. Go to the second one. Divide the unshaded portion. Divide the unshaded portion 3 equal pieces. 3 equal pieces. 3 equal pieces. Divide it 3 equal pieces. That's Asna Sharaf. It's correct. Very nice. You can just mark 1, 2, 3 so that people will be able to understand. Asna Sharaf. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Super. People, you can just see Asna Sharif. She has done it correctly. Okay. And who else? Yeah, Gayatri has also done it correctly. Okay. Preeti Bajaj. Superb. Preeti Bajaj. Superb.
Sir, look at mine, sir.
Yeah. Mine, who is that? Can you tell the name?
Sir, Fatma.
Fatma. Yeah, Fatma. That is correct. 3 equal pieces. Okay. Okay. So life is not always very easy. See, the first one was very easy. The second one was very easy. Life is also like that. Sometimes life is not that much very easy. Now I repeat, equal. The space should be equal. If you measure inside, all the 3 should be equal, and whatever your answer, that is correct. First one also correct, second one also correct. Okay. Now let us go to the third one. Okay. So this is one. We have made it into 2 equal pieces. If we measure, we will get 2 equal pieces. We will get. Okay. Then this is 3 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3. You imagine that it is a square. It is a perfect square, and inside there is a perfect square. Okay. Maybe when I made it, it may look like a triangle. Okay. Actually, think that it is a square, perfect square, and inside there is a perfect square. So 2 and 3. Okay. Now unshaded portion. Okay, 3. Unshaded portion 3. So this is 3. Unshaded portion 3. I want you to make 4 equal pieces. 4 equal pieces. 4 equal pieces. 4 equal pieces. Anjali Mishra is showing something. Acha. Anjali Mishra, what is this you are showing? Okay. Okay. Four equal pieces. Life is not always very what do you call? It gives you. So Sajda there, that is wrong, because all the 4, it is not equal pieces. If you measure geometrically, it will not be equal. So Sajda there, what you have written is not correct. Yam Gayatri. Gayatri, where is Gayatri? Gayatri, where is Gayatri? Okay. Dikneya. Yeah, Gayatri is there. Yeah, Gayatri. Yeah, please show. That's wrong, Gayatri, because see, the space, look at the space, all the 4, one is smaller and one is bigger. No? See, if you measure, if there is 1 feet inside, in all the 4, only 1 feet should be there, equal space. So, Gayatri, that will be wrong. No? The first one will be is having less, and the downside it will be having more, not equal. BG Gayatri, no. BG Gayatri, can you lift? Can you lift a little bit more? Okay. So Gayatri, please wait. You need not show it. Okay, that is correct. Please wait. So okay. Sabita Kumari. Okay. Okay, team. I will show the answer.
Fatma.
Fatma. Yeah.
Fatma.
Yeah, Fatma. कहाँ है? अभी इधर ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल लग रहा है. अब तो बहुत लोग हैं. अच्छा कहाँ है? अच्छा okay. So I will tell the answer. Okay. So Rajeshwari Reddy, that is wrong, Rajeshwari, because one is more and one is less. You yourself see, one space is more and one space is less, isn't it? And Preeti Bajaj, it is wrong, because one is size is more, another one is size is less. See, carpet area, we used to call it as a carpet area. Carpet area means equal. If in one space 1 feet is there, The second also 1 feet. If there are 2 square feet, we call it the square feet. If there are 2 square feet in one, the other also in all the 4, 2 square feet only should be there. Okay. Okay. I will show the answer. I will show the answer. So this is first one. Okay. This is second one. Okay. This is the third one. Equal spaces. Okay. Equal. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 will be equal in size. All the 4 will be equal in size. Okay. Now look at the next box. Okay, look at the next box. Okay. Now comes the toughest one. Now comes the toughest one. Okay. This is much more tougher. Okay. Whoever knows it, please send. Please don't share it in the group. Okay. Please keep it within yourself. It is very, very tricky. Whoever knows it, just don't tell immediately. Okay. Don't show it in the camera. The fourth one is very, very tricky. Okay. The next one, unshaded portion. Okay. The unshaded portion, the next one. Okay. I want you to divide that into 7 equal pieces. The time limit is 7 seconds. Okay. 7 seconds time. You have to put it and take a photograph and share it in the group. And whoever knows it, please don't do it. Whoever is doing second time, third time from me, if you know it, please don't do it. 7 seconds time. Okay. If you know, please raise your hand and share it in the group. 7 seconds, 7 lines, equal spaces. Now 7 seconds is over. 7 seconds is over. Okay. 7 seconds is over. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 seconds are over. Okay. Now I will show the answer. Okay. I will show the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Now look at the answer once and I will come and tell you what it is. Every one of you look at the answer. Now, what happened was, if your brain is not thinking like this, you may be thinking you have to solve the problem, the last problem also you have to solve the way you solved the first one, second one and third one. And fourth one also you might have been thinking this is how I have to solve the problem. What I did was I started programming your brain. I started programming your brain in the first. I strengthened the program in the second one. In the third one, again, I strengthened the programming. The fourth one, which when it came, your brain told you have to solve the problem like that only, and you have been doing that. But actually, the answer is very, very simple. The answer is very, very simple. I started programming your brain. So, Santanam, whoever has written, that is hats off to you. Whoever has written, hats off to you. The exercise, it is simply to tell that people used to ask, sir, how can we program? How human brain can be programmed? This is the proof. This is the proof. If you are thinking how to solve this, I'm not getting the answer. If you are thinking, that means I have made program in your brain and you were thinking how to solve the program. The program has been written in your brain and you were just thinking how to solve the program. This is what NLP, that is programming the brain. So like this, we can program and influence anybody through language and through various other aspects. Okay. So we are, it is 9:53 already, but I have 5 more beautiful activities. Shall we continue or close?
Yes, sir. Please continue.
10 more minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes first. Let us see how many are not able. How many of you are not sleeping? Okay. Okay. Now, take the matchstick. Take the matchstick. Take the matchstick. Take the matchstick quickly. See the picture here. See the picture. This is called hexagon. This is called hexagon. So hexagon is having how many sides it has?
7.
7. It is having 7. It is having 7 sides. Look at this one more time. I'm closing this. Okay. Please come on the Zoom call, video call. Please come on the video call. Please come on the video call. Everyone, please close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Keep the matchstick in front of you. Close your eyes. Okay, start. The time limit is again 2 minutes. Okay, half a second more. Half a second more. Half seconds more. Okay, open your eyes. You can open your eyes. Time is up. Now, what is there? Ajit Datta, super. Ajit. Please take a photograph and share it in the group. Rajeshwari, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Sanjay Kumar, okay. 2, 4, but 2, 4, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. Sichadar, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Hasna thoda badal gaya. Anjali Mishra, okay. 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. अच्छा आया है. Girish Lalwani, अच्छा आया है. Very, very nice. Very nice. Fatma Varsia और थोड़ा क्लियर होना था. प्रीति बजाज दिखाई नहीं अभी तक. अच्छा, okay. Okay, Yugraj, wow, super Yugraj. Yugraj, I think only when you close your eyes, you are able to see nicely. I think you are having 4 eyes. Super, super. Okay, team. Please take a snap and share it in the group. Okay, we will go to the next one. Okay, we will go to the next one quickly. Okay. Okay. We'll go quickly. Okay. Okay. Now this question is to someone. Okay. The question is to Anjali Mishra. The question is to Anjali Mishra. Anjali Mishra, please read the question and tell me the answer. Or Fatma Varsia, please tell the answer.
So same.
Same.
Both ways same. Yes.
That's correct. Okay. Okay. People who knows the answer, if you know it perfectly, please don't tell. Okay. Let us see how many people tell wrongly. Okay. Okay. Okay, team. Please come on the video. 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 Priyanka, Sabha, please come on the video. We will do an exercise. We are going to do an activity. Okay? Okay? Saravanan, Yugraj, everyone, please come on the video. Please come on the video. Okay. Okay. Please keep your hand like this. Please keep your hand like this. Okay. Okay. Clockwise, start rotating. Clockwise. Clockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Anti-clockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise the hand above your head. Above your head. Okay. Above your head. Okay. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your index finger on the chin. Yeah. Keep your index finger on the chin. Sarita, keep your index finger on the chin. So, the thing is, even Preeti Bajaj went here, okay, then suddenly, then changed here, okay. The thing is, we always look at others on how they do it. So, it is very nice that at least we people are able to catch the thing, okay. It is not here, it is here, okay. It is not here, it is here. Awareness. This is called awareness, mindfulness, okay. 2 minutes time, okay, 2 minutes time, okay. Shall we finish the class at 10:05 today? 10:05? Is it okay for you people? 10:05?
Yes, sir. Yes.
किसी को नींद आ रहा है क्या? नींद तो नहीं आ रहा ना? Because मुझे नींद नहीं आ रहा है. मुझे नींद न आए, हो, मुझे नींद न आए, मुझे चैन न आए. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग है ना? अच्छा.
कोई चाय जरा ढूंढ के लाए.
That was wonderful. Yeah. Okay. Now, team, what I want you to do is, okay, keep the now awareness, complete awareness. See, people call this mindfulness. Now, today, let us see what is actually mindfulness. Okay. Now, 3 minutes time. Okay, 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes time. I want you to get up from there. Go to your kitchen. Go to your kitchen. Okay. Ladies go to kitchen. Gents can go to their front room. Okay, front room. If gents are also cooking, you can also go to kitchen. Okay, I have no problem. Okay. Go to your kitchen and stand there. Look at everything. See, look at the top, okay, side, everything. Complete mindfulness. Try to see what are the things which is there, which is not seen by you so far. Sir, ये तो यहाँ था, लेकिन मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि ये यहाँ. There is dust, but it was not in my awareness. ऊपर इतना कीचड़ लग रहा है, लेकिन मुझे दिखाई नहीं दिया. Okay, so 2 minutes time. Please go to your kitchen and come back. Please go to your kitchen, stand, look at all the spaces clearly, and gents also can go. Okay. Only thing is tomorrow be ready to clean everything. Yeah. Otherwise, students can just go and check in their study table. What are the things are there which is not, which was not in your awareness till now. When you are looking with awareness, you are able to find it out. Yeah.
1 minute. 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 1 min
So Sarita, you have gone and come. So what are the things you have seen? Which was not in your awareness, now only it came to your awareness. Yeah, Sarita can open the mic and tell. Yeah, anyone who has just gone and find out something. Yeah, Anjali. Yeah, Anjali. नमकीन. अच्छा, नमकीन उधर था, मुझे दिखाई नहीं दिया. दिखाई दिया तो अब तक खा लिया होगा. Yeah. Okay. Okay. The thing is, when we look things at with awareness, okay, we try to gain, we try to learn, we try to understand so many aspects. So last time, awareness is, see, Achim, please come on the video. Please come on the video. Cobweb on the wall, little bit of dust on tiles. Very nice. With awareness, when we see, outside also we will be able to find out, inside also we will be able to find out. Our own dust we will be able to find it out. Through kitchen glass, there is pigeon, which was not earlier I saw. Wow, Lakshmi, then you are lucky. Okay. Stethoscope, sweets were present. Okay. Container cracks, very nice. I have to clean the roof. Rajeshwari Reddy says, "Arey sir, मैं तो रात को सोने के लिए जाना था. अभी आपने ऐसा काम दे दिया. अभी मुझे नींद नहीं आएगा. No, I have to clean. Then only I'll be able to sleep. Okay, team. I have only six more minutes. Please come on the line. Please come on the video. Quick. Okay. Now, see, this is awareness. How many of you feel that trees have life? The plants have life. See, last time the same mental health webinar, I gave the people one challenge. Okay, I gave them a challenge, and I will share you the pictures today evening. Okay, I had around 800 pictures. Okay, hugging the tree. Simple, team. Tomorrow morning, get up early. Okay, but get up early. Okay, don't do all these things when everybody is awake and everybody is seeing you. Then people will tell that रात को 8 बजे तक अच्छा ही था. अभी 8 बजे के बाद 9 बजे कुछ क्लास अटेंड किया, कुछ हो गया उसको. वो मेंटल करके कुछ बोल रहा था. अभी उसको वो ऐसे ही हो गया. Okay, so get up early. Okay, go and hug the tree, and stay there for a few seconds and try the tell the tree from the bottom of your heart, I love you. मुझे बहुत पसंद है. I like you. Whenever I am passing this side, I am looking at you and I marvel at you. See, this is in Japanese culture. They have this as a ritual. They think that, they believe that trees pass the positive energy to the human being, and it cures many of the illness, particularly mental illness. Japanese believe that it cures. Now, tomorrow just go and sit in front of if you have a garden, okay, if you have a plant, just touch the leaf, okay, for 2 minutes, okay, feel the leaf, okay, feel the leaf. You will be able to feel that something the plant wants to communicate to. The more subtle you become, the more in mind, when you become more subtle, you will be able to understand then what the nature wants to communicate to. Okay, now tomorrow, please post, please go and hug the tree. Okay, we have to love the nature, isn't it? Love the nature. I do not know how many of you love to go on a long ride, take a bike or take a two-wheeler, go for a long drive on a forest, both side tree, nothing but tree. Okay. So gaya ye jahan, so gaya asma, सो गई ये सारी मंजिलें। तो ऐसे गाना गा के जो चलना है तो कितना बढ़िया लगता है कि नहीं? ओके जी, so just take a picture of hugging the tree and share it in the group. Team, actually, I wanted to complete CBT and REBT, one technique from CBT and one technique from REBT. Okay, and today I had much more. Further, 5 more things are there. Some of the things are mind-blowing things. Okay, but I have mails to. You people have mails to go before you sleep. क्योंकि मुझे तो बात करना था, पूरा रात बात करूंगा, ठीक है? I will talk all over the night, and you people will go to limbic brain. Already some of you are moving towards your limbic brain, which I am able to see from here. You are just traveling from your cortical brain to limbic brain. You are going, अरे यार छोड़ो यार, बस करो, बस खत्म करो, खत्म कुछ ना कहो, अरे बंद करो यार, कुछ ना कहो. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet. Tomorrow we may be having 1.5 hours session. We are going to have the session from Paulo sir, and also REBT and CBT. Tomorrow I will try to cover. Okay, tomorrow morning I will send a YouTube video regarding the certificates. Okay, what are the aspects which you have to do? Okay, for the certificate also I will put a video. Thank you very much, team. Thank you very much. It is a wonderful day for me. अच्छा, activity करना बहुत अच्छा. And I will share my link. Okay, please post your comments about the program on the link. Okay, always we used to get not less than 5 stars for all our program. Okay, I'm having around 1,200 5 stars in my rating. Okay, more than 1,200 5-star rating. I will share the link. Okay. If you love the program, please rate the program with 5 stars and tell your views. Don't forget to post the picture, hug the tree and post the picture. And please don't forget to join tomorrow's class. Paulo sir, बहुत बढ़िया आदमी है, so he is going to take the class. Please join tomorrow. Good night, sweet dreams. I will tell the timing tomorrow. Okay,